Yo, what's up? So I'm going to do a little bit of a beard trim today, a maintenance trim. As you can see, it looks like there's a jungle on my face. My mustache is crawling over my lip. My beard looks like a cloud. So I just got out of the shower about 10-15 minutes ago. That was weird. Brothers, I'm back. What did we do today? AJ was taking too long, so I just took his whole beard, and I put it on my face. Let me tell you what we did today. Firstly, the sides, we trimmed it up and we followed the face. Astaghfirullah, I got a phone call. Just let me take this. Assalamu alaikum. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله كيف حال؟ عنا بخير عنا بخير. You know what? I'm actually making a video right now. You are on the video, Rais. Say assalamu alaikum. Wait, let me put you on speaker. Rais, say assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Who is going to be featured in the video? Okay. Okay, back to the video. We did the sides, we tapered the sides, and it is overall it is shorter. Yeah, can you see the size is not so big anymore? It's nice and short. I like it like this. The third thing that we did, we trimmed the mustache. It was hanging over the lip. I didn't like that. I told AJ he must, just trim it, and I left the sides because I wanted to grow into the beard. Bonus tip, brothers. You know that scissors, that beard scissors, what you want to do? If you have hairs that you don't want to cut a lot of, like with the machine, if you go over the beard, it can take off too much hair and you don't want that, you take the scissors and you cut it one by one, mashallah. Yeah, that's all the tips I have for you today, brother. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a good day.